Breakups suck, especially when you're the one still thinking about her. You check your phone, hoping for a message. You wonder if she's missing you the way you're missing her. But nothing. Radio silence. And here's the brutal truth. The more available you seem after a breakup, the less she'll feel your absence. If you really want her to miss you, to feel your presence in your absence, you've got to do it the smart way. This isn't about games. This is about psychology. Real human behavior. Let's break it down. Step 1. Disappear. Completely. No texts. No likes on her posts. No late night, just checking in messages. Nothing. Why? Because people only miss what's gone. If you're still around, even digitally, her brain doesn't register the loss. When you vanish, her mind starts to fill in the blanks. Why hasn't he reached out? Is he over me? Has he moved on? This silence creates curiosity. Curiosity creates attention. And attention is the first seed of missing someone. Remember, no contact doesn't mean no feelings. It means you're giving space for those feelings to grow. On her side. Step 2. Improve yourself, visibly. This is not the time to sulk in bed or scroll through old photos. This is the time to level up. Mentally, physically, emotionally. Start hitting the gym, or at least moving your body. Upgrade your look. Learn something new. Spend time with people who energize you. Why? Because even if she doesn't see it directly, word travels. Mutual friends notice. Social media shows the glow up. And most importantly, you feel the shift. When you improve, you signal strength. And strength is attractive, especially when it comes from pain. She might start wondering, wait, he's doing fine. He looks better than ever. Did I make a mistake? Exactly the kind of thoughts you want her to have. Step 3. Don't chase. Attract. Every time you send a "I miss you" text or ask for closure, you're lowering your value in her eyes. It's harsh, but it's how attraction works. Instead of chasing her attention, focus on becoming someone she's drawn back to naturally. Be active on your social media, but not in a try-hard way. Post moments of growth, joy, connection, not sadness or heartbreak. When she sees that you're not falling apart, it shakes her expectation. It makes her curious. It challenges her ego. And when the ego is challenged, it often wants to win you back, even if she was the one who ended it. Step 4. Create scarcity. Scarcity is powerful. If you are always texting her, always available, always trying, she had full access. And when something is always available, it loses value. But now, you're rare. You're silent. You're not begging for her time. That alone makes her start to reevaluate everything. Suddenly, her memories of you become more intense. The good moments feel stronger. The flaws seem smaller. Because now, she's not just remembering you. She's missing you. Step 5. Rebuild your identity without her in the picture. One of the biggest mistakes after a breakup is waiting. Waiting for her to come back. Waiting for a sign. Waiting to feel whole again. But the truth is, you don't need to wait to be whole. Start rebuilding your life like she's not coming back. Not to spite her, not to fake confidence, but because you deserve that growth regardless of who's in your life. And here's the twist. When you stop needing her return to feel okay, that's when you become most magnetic. Because emotional independence is rare, and rare is attractive. She's not going to miss you because you begged her to. She's not going to miss you because you reminded her of every good memory you shared. She's going to miss you when your silence is louder than your words, when your absence feels heavier than your presence ever did. And that happens when you stop reaching and start rising. Let her feel what life is like without your energy, your support, your attention. Let her sit with that silence and let it speak for you. Because here's what most guys don't realize. You don't make someone miss you by holding on. You make them miss you by letting go. With power. By showing her you won't chase someone who left. By choosing your dignity over temporary comfort. By focusing on your evolution, not her reaction. And in that quiet, something magical happens. She starts wondering if she misjudged you, if maybe, just maybe, she lost someone rare. Because now you're not just the guy she dated. You're the one who walked away with grace. The one who didn't fall apart. The one who kept rising. And that version of you, that's the version she'll miss. Because now you're not reaching back to the past. You're walking toward a future where you don't need her to feel valuable, where your worth isn't defined by someone else's choice. And if she does come back, cool. But if she doesn't, even better. Because you'll know this time, you didn't lose her. You found yourself. Now, if you're ready to stop obsessing and start attracting real connection, click the next video. How to be irresistible to women without faking confidence. Your comeback starts there.